¿cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos dias. What it do, whatever the time of day it is. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shantellstyles. And if you're a returning subscriber, what it do, what's poppin'? We're jumping right into today's install. The sponsor of this video is Isee Hair. So I just want to say thank you to them. Hey, why am I talking at 100 miles per hour? Is somebody chasing me? I will have all the information listed down below in the description if you're interested in seeing how I got today's look. I mean, it was a bit of an interesting install, but definitely keep on watching, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, okay? Kick your feet up. And if you have any questions, feel free to link them down below. We're gonna jump right into the next scene and I shall see you in a second. Here's a quick look at the contents that come in the packaging. Now we're just gonna move on to the install itself. We have got this wig. It's looking a little crazy right now on the wig head, and even my wig head looks real crazy. But if I have a runny nose as well, guys, I just want to say sorry in advance. Hay fever has been whooping me since it arrived. So I'm going to press out the hairline because I like to get that very sharp and neat, you know, fresh frontal look. So that's what it's looking like. Ooh, this lace is white. This lace is transparent or white? I don't even know. Transparent or white? You tell me. So nowadays, I've been saying this in a couple videos now, but nowadays, whoa, I'm looking real funky. Nowadays, I just don't even bother putting elastic bands on these wigs. I literally just fasten them with the adjusting bands that they have at the back. And also, apologies if you see my nose running. I am so sorry. Hay fever is killing me and it's really making it hard for a girl. Okay, so this install is gonna be pretty quick. There really isn't too much to do. This lace is starting to bother my eyes. But what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna just put foundation on my lace, because this ain't no match. And then pretty much cut off the lace and wet the hair. It's gonna be a super quick install. So I'm just gonna flip a majority of this wig back. I feel like if you coat enough of it, you don't really need to. If you coat the perimeter at least, then you don't have to literally coat the whole thing. But what I do want to try is some lace tints. I really want to go in and use lace tints because one, I think is quicker. Two, it's just a different product, something I haven't tried. And three, it may just be better overall. I'm just going to first cut my ear tabs because I really be forgetting to do that step. Do I even have a tail comb? I have a tail comb. I think this is just the easiest way to cut your ear tabs, to literally part a line above your ear. And then if you have, like, you know, those duck clips, it's just easy to pin the hair at the top. But as you can now see, I don't have a duck clip nearby. Oh, okay. Okay, so my usual method, gonna cut 3 sections and then work bit by bit. But first, let me just go in and clean my hair with some rubbing alcohol because I've obviously applied makeup, and the less product buildup, the better. And I'm just going in with my BetterTheMelt glue. It's actually the only adhesive I have right now, but I am gonna order some more soon. I'm planning to order the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. I've heard really good things about that glue and it's time for a change. So I'm just gonna go over the front of my hairline where I want to stick my wig down in 3 sections. Just do small dots across that front part and then stick that down. Just do the same thing on the other sides. I'm gonna speed that up as well. You guys ever be shaking your glue like that to get it to the bottom, or when it's almost finished? Because I know I do. I don't know, but I always get a little anxious to, like, you know, before I even finish. Ooh, don't take off your hair. I have to go in and cut a little bit of the lace just to see what I'm working with, you know. So I'm just impatient. I can't wait until the very end to find out. I think it would be a decent install. It's a little bit light, but you know, that can be fixed with more foundation or got-to-be spray, which I'll show you soon. So we'll keep on going for now. I'll just cut that piece off for now. Okay, never mind, don't want to come off, it's fine, you can stay there. Now that I've pretty much done everything, I'm going to cut, spray with my got-to-be, and then wrap it down with my elastic band. So this is pretty much it. First impressions. It's still looking a little bit crazy, so I think what I'm gonna do is go in with a bit more foundation, and then I'm gonna spray it with my got-to-be spray. So that's helped it out a tiny bit. I'm gonna go in with my got-to-be spray. So as you can see, that's instantly already made a big difference. Let's hope this doesn't fly off, because sometimes it really just be having a mind of its own. What would you do? If you had this hairstyle, how would you style it? Would you do a part, no part, middle part, side part? Like, what's the vibe? What you guys thinking? I think I might do like a deep side. Right now I'm just going in with the Lotta Body mousse and styling the hair. I'm just running that through the hair. And I'm just pretty much spreading this product quite generously all over, really. Hasn't been long, but I'm gonna take this off and see. Oh, the got-to-be can't be doing that, but I forget that that's kind of how the BetterTheMelt is. So I'm just gonna go in with some rubbing alcohol just to clean up that perimeter. That's pretty much what it looks like. Again, I'm not still like completely happy, but I mean, it was better than before. I'm gonna try and go in with my foundation again. You know, sometimes installs just don't be doing what you need them to do, and it's cool. We all have our days. I don't want to put too much makeup on it though. I'm just gonna do my baby hairs. With curly hair, I usually don't mind doing more dramatic baby hairs. I think it tends to go well. So yeah, I think I might do like quite exaggerated baby hairs, or at least exaggerated for me. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look. So So here's a close-up view. I did struggle with melting this lace, but I just wanted to provide you with a close-up. Okay, well, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you on my next one.